In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Now you need to edit your shortcuts to continue. In order to do that, tap on this pen at the top right corner. Select Edit over here. And then find Caffeine shortcut under Available buttons. When you find it, hold it and drag it to your current ones. Place it wherever you want to, let go and hit Done at the top right corner. Then Done again. Go back to Tab menu and click on your new shortcut. Select this switcher next to Allow Permission. Click on the back button. Go into Tab menu one last time and tap on your shortcut, this time to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!